Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of drinking good quality water. So water is essential to life, and the human body is actually 60% water, and yet most of us don't realize the critical role water plays in essentially every aspect of body's function. So the broadly speaking, it regulates body temperature, it maintains joint health, regulates digestion, improves focus and mood, lower caloric intake, and improves the appearance of the skin. And not to mention, blood is 90% water. So obviously it helps distribute nutrients, minerals, and oxygen throughout the body and maintains blood pressure. And of course, it flushes out the toxins and bodily waste and also helps maintaining the kidneys' health. So how much water is enough? So there is no universally accepted criteria of how much water we should drink every day, but essentially based on the body weight, let's say, for example, if you're weighing between 91 to 120 pounds, up to 2 liters of water is essential. If you're weighing between 121 to 150 pounds, up to 2.5 liters of water is essential, and so on and so forth. So you'd be surprised to know that 97% of the water on globe is salty, 2% of the water goes in the glaciers and mountains, and 1% of water is available for human use. So the water scarcity, population growth are leading to the rise in the contaminant levels, putting pressure on the water treatment system. So the quality of distribution system directly impacts the quality of water being served. For example, the corrosion of pipes, breaks, leaks, biological growth, all these factors compromise the quality of water being distributed, even if the water treatment meets all the federal standards. So there are many factors which affect the global water supply. So we need to understand the quality of water we are drinking. So many of us are relying on the bottled water for the safe drinking water. And we should know that they actually vary in quality. Most bottled waters are treated to improve taste and appearance only, and they may still contain bacteria, organic, inorganic compounds. And the 40% of bottled water comes from municipal tap water. And also only 1 in 5 bottles gets recycled, and which actually adds to 3 billion pounds of plastic waste every year. And the home water treatment gives us the clean water right at home. And this actually saves money and also helps prevent damage to the environment. And not only that, it removes the potential contaminants our water picks up on its way home. I would like to end my talk by sharing with you this picture of the cartridge. And this was pretty shocking when I changed it after more than a year. And this was, unbelievable. And this is a California residence. And, I would highly recommend everyone to consider having a water treatment system, and will definitely be a good investment in your and your family's health. So water does more than just sustain life. It actually improves the health inside out. With that, thank you so much.